The wind-driven ocean. The ocean had that hard winter edge today. The kind of wind that doesn't just blow past you, it leans into you. The wind was so loud it swallowed everything. The waves, the usual bluff-top rhythm, even my own thoughts. It wasn't just blowing past, it was roaring straight through the microphone. A kind of North Coast blast that turns clean audio into pure static. I had to stay well back from the edge, bracing my feet, and you'll see it in the video when the frame suddenly jolts. That wasn't me moving, that was a real gust trying to knock me sideways. The bluff itself felt like it was shaking with it. Down below, the ocean was covered in whitecaps, running wild in every direction, no rhythm to follow, and no chance of spotting whales in that kind of chop. The sea was working, but the wind was the real show, loud, cold, and relentless. The raw audio was nothing but wind roar, so I laid music under the footage to make it watchable. Some days the ocean gives you sound and story. Today it gave nothing but power and a reminder to keep your distance. The wind was so bad. How bad was it? I had to change locations just to get my car moving. After a few tries and a couple of sideways shoves from those gusts, I finally sought shelter back inside the car and recorded the rest of this in comfort, out of the blast. Thanks to all of my subscribers for sticking with me through days like this. And if the wind didn't chase you away and you want to join the fun, just click on my picture at the end of the video.